Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Howtomyapps. Here how to remove the threads badge on your Instagram profile now. You might have just downloaded and installed the new thread app and Instagram app, but if you hop into Instagram app and tap on your profile button at the bottom right, you can see right under my name is a little thread symbol, and it says that I'm just over like 94 million user on the thread app. Maybe you don't want it on here, or you think it is just cool on there. Maybe you want to keep it, but you can always just tap on it, and again it say that I'm approximately just over 94 million user in less than 24 hours. And it say this is a temporary badge that yes as forwards, no, you can either tap view thread profile, or it is very bottom, you can tap to hide the badge, and then it say you are sure you can hide it, but once it is removed it cannot be back. Or you can keep in mind that it does say that this is a temporary. Basically this is an Instagram meta way of pushing everybody that sees your Instagram profile over to the threads app, because they want to end up have a wide spread adoption from Instagram over to the threads app, and it is just want to push people over there. So just hit that remove badge, it will remove it from your Instagram profile. Hope this helps. If you have any question, leave it in the comment down below. Thank you.